Welcome to our incredible journey through the world of garage inventions. Have you ever wondered how to make your garage the coolest spot in your home? Well, get ready because we've got 16 mind-blowing inventions that will transform your garage into a futuristic paradise. But hey, do you know what makes a garage awesome? Let's find out together as we dive into these amazing inventions. Get ready to be amazed and inspired as we explore the ultimate garage gadgets. Let's kick off our video today with Snap-on tool cabinets and how they've managed to create a buzz with their Epic C series. So, what's the deal with these cabinets? Well, Snap-on, the company behind them, has come up with a clever strategy to sell them for a whopping $35,000. How do they justify this hefty price tag? You might wonder. It's all about the features. First off, they've made these cabinets mobile by putting them on wheels. Not just any wheels, mind you, these bad boys come with 14 or 17-inch wheels. And to make sure your tools stay put when you need them to, they've added brakes. That's right, no more chasing your toolbox across the garage. But what really sets these cabinets apart is their name Epic. It's catchy, it's memorable, and it screams quality. Plus, it adds a touch of excitement to an otherwise mundane tool cabinet. Now, let's talk about the storage capacity. These Epic C cabinets are like the Hulk of storage. They can hold a whopping 7.2 tons of tools. That's like having a mountain of wrenches, sockets, and hammers all in one place. Imagine never having to worry about running out of space for your gear again. But it's not just about the capacity. These cabinets are all about keeping your tools organized and easily accessible. Take a look inside, and you'll find speed draw drawers that are like magic trick drawers. They're divided up to keep your screws, nuts, and bolts neatly sorted, and they slide out super fast, making it a breeze to grab what you need in a hurry. And let's not forget about those extra wide drawers. They're like the VIP section of the cabinet, measuring a whopping 157.5 centimeters. They're perfect for storing bulky power tools and equipment, keeping your workspace tidy and clutter-free. So whether you're a weekend warrior tackling DIY projects or a professional tradesperson with a ton of gear, these Epic C cabinets have got you covered. Now we've got the Gather Tool Company. They're all about making life easier for tire and trucking businesses. Imagine you're dealing with heavy wheels. This company has a rack specially designed to help you out. This rack isn't just any old rack. It's designed to take off, store, and put on wheels smoothly. And guess what? It can handle wheels up to 60 kilograms without needing any fancy hydraulic or electrical stuff. It's got a built-in mini ramp too, which is super handy. You can snag the Gen 2 version of this rack for $1,165. Next, let's talk about something from RI, a Japanese company. They've come up with something groundbreaking for organizing tools and small items. It's called RopeLink. The cool thing about RopeLink is that it grows with you. As you get better at your DIY projects, this system evolves right alongside your skills. It's like having a workshop that's always ready for whatever project you're working on. RopeLink is all about universal fastening components, so you can hang drawers, shelves, hooks, and more with ease. And the best part? Some of these elements, like the drawers, are portable, so you can take your workspace with you wherever you go. But, fair warning, RopeLink doesn't come cheap. A single container with a 36 kilograms capacity will set you back $60. Then we have Sane, a Chinese company leading the way in inflatable paint booths. Imagine a giant balloon-like structure you can paint cars in. Sounds cool, right? Sane offers a model that's 12 meters long, 5 meters wide, and 4 meters tall for just $1,658. It's made from a tough fabric called 210D Oxford fabric and comes with hooks for hanging lamps. Plus, it includes 2 blowers, one to inflate the booth and another for ventilation. Setting it up is a breeze. Just grab a buddy, and you're good to go in minutes. Moving on, Hedson Technologies AB, a Swedish company making waves with their IR brand lamps. These lamps are perfect for use in paint booths for a few reasons. Firstly, they're compact, so they don't take up much space. Secondly, they're super efficient, thanks to built-in microprocessors that manage power and usage time, ensuring they last over 20,000 hours. And thirdly, they can be easily fixed onto special rails, making them fit almost any paint booth out there. Talk about versatility. With these lamps, you can cure the base coat on a car hood in just 4 minutes, saving you time and money. Now Neumann is a company that makes really awesome air purifiers. They're so good that even big car factories in Europe use them. But guess what? You can also get one for your small workshop. Why do we need air purifiers, you ask? Well, imagine if you have a car running inside your room. It's not good, right? Those exhaust fumes can make the air dangerous to breathe. Inventions systems are like superheroes. They clean out all those bad fumes, dust, and other yucky stuff. They have two types of systems: mobile ones that you can move around, and stationary ones that stay in one place. And let me tell you, these systems are so reliable that there are already over 100,000 of them in emergency rooms. That's a lot. Now, let's talk about a cool stool. Did you know that about 80% of people who work in the US sit all day? That's a lot of sitting. So, someone came up with a stool to help out. This stool is super simple. It's not like those fancy chairs with a million buttons and adjustments. Nope, it just stays at one height, 48 centimeters. But guess what? It's supposed to work for everyone, no matter how tall or small you are. The seat of the stool is made of really comfy foam that's 9 centimeters thick. Imagine sitting on a fluffy cloud. And it's got wheels too, so you can move around easily. All of this for just $395. So, whether you need cleaner air or a comfy seat, Inventions and this stool have got you covered. And next, have you ever seen those air jacks that look like snowmen? Yeah, those ones. They're not your regular snowmen, though. These jacks can lift some serious weight. We're talking several tons. For example, one type can lift 2.5 tons up to 385 millimeters high. And there's a stronger version that can handle a hefty 6 tons and lift them up to 400 millimeters. Imagine that. You can get your hands on one of these for just $26. Pretty neat, right? Now, for all you Porsche fans out there, listen up. Ever thought about having the sound of a Porsche 992 GT3 in your living room? Well, now you can with this awesome audio system. It's not just any old system, it's a limited edition with only 500 units available. It's designed to replicate the original exhaust system of the Porsche 992 GT3, delivering top-notch sound quality with 300 watts of power. Plus, it supports Dolby Atmos and DTS HD for that immersive audio experience. And don't worry about compatibility, you can easily connect it to your devices using Bluetooth 5.0 or HD ports. This piece of tech weighs about 65 kilograms, but no need to fret about hanging it up. It comes with a stand to make your life easier. Let's talk about an awesome tool that's making waves in the world of car maintenance, the Up and Down 3000 jack. So, the folks who made this jack didn't worry too much about what to call it. They just kept it simple with Up and Down 3000. But hey, they didn't skimp on making it awesome. This jack weighs about 19 kilograms, and get this, it can lift cars that weigh up to 3 tons. That's like lifting a small elephant. Now, here's the cool part, it's not just for lifting one end of the car. Nope, it can lift both the front and rear axles, and even the seal braces. And guess what? If you're in a hurry, you can speed up the lifting process by using a drill. How neat is that? Now, I know what you're thinking, how much does this awesome jack cost? Well, hold on to your hats, because it's priced at $639. Yep, it's an investment, but think about all the time and effort it'll save you when you're working on your car. Now, picture this, you're out on the roads in China, and you see a repairman zipping around in a truck. But this isn't just any truck, it's basically a mobile workshop. And what makes it stand out? Affordable toiton lift. These lifts are made by a company called Yay, and they're a big deal in China when it comes to this kind of equipment. So, if you're ever in need of a quick lift while you're on the road, you know who to call. Have you ever struggled with storage space in your garage or workshop? Well, Gladiator has got you covered. They offer not only cabinets and shelves, but also refrigerators and freezers. What's unique about them is that you can open them by simply stepping on a pedal. How convenient is that? Both the refrigerator and freezer have a capacity of 500 liters and are about 78 centimeters wide and 184 centimeters tall. And guess what? They're selling both of them for the same price of $1,440 each. Next up, let's talk about Mule. For just $220, you can beat the heat in your workshop or garage with their fan. It can circulate air at a speed of 85 cubic meters per minute. Plus, it comes with a 2.4 meter long cable, making it easy to plug in. Installing it is a breeze, requiring only 2 self-tapping screws. And if you need to move it around, no worries. It comes with a stand that can also double as a hand truck. The top version even includes a light, an extension cord, and a toolbox. How handy is that? Now, Onto Grandfall's latest innovation, their pressure washer. What makes it stand out? Well, it has a bracket that allows it to rotate 180 degrees, making it easier to reach different angles. Plus, it has a total stop system that shuts off the water when you're not using it, saving you water and energy. No more tangled hoses either, thanks to the built-in reel. With a maximum pressure of 22,200 psi, or 152 bar, this washer is a powerhouse. And it comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles with spray angles of 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees. All this for just $260. Ever seen those car repair shows where they magically make dents disappear? Well, they often use a tool called a puller. It's super handy for fixing dents. Here's how it works. The craftsman spot welds the base of the puller to the dent. Then they pull the handle towards them, and voila! The dent starts to pop out. It's a quick and easy way to get the job done. Now, the puller you see on the screen can do about 30 pulls in just 1 minute. And get this, the welding part only takes 0.3 seconds. That's fast, right? Plus, it comes with 3 round and 3 square stops of different sizes to help limit the work area, making it even more convenient. And if you're interested, you can get this puller for $3,000. But wait, if you've got some really tough dents to fix, you might need something even more powerful. Check out this tool. It can pull with a force of 5 tons. That's a lot of power. But what's really cool about it is that it's cordless, so you don't have to worry about any wires or hydraulic circuits getting in your way. That makes it perfect for tight spaces. And get this, with just one charge, it can deliver that 5-ton force 12 times. That's pretty impressive, right? And according to the seller, 99% of customers are happy with this tool. If you're interested, you can find out more about the price. And there you have it, folks. These 16 amazing inventions are just waiting to transform your garage into a hub of creativity and convenience. But wait, here's a question for you. Which invention are you most excited to try out in your own garage? Whether it's the smart storage solutions or the high-tech tools, there's something here for everyone. So, why wait? Get ready to revolutionize your garage and make your life easier than ever before. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more awesome ideas like these. Until next time, happy tinkering!